Welcome to our colorful kitchen, where healthy food is a grand adventure. Here, every meal is a chance to explore new flavors and textures. Today, we're busting the myth that healthy food is boring. In fact, it can be incredibly exciting and satisfying. It can be bursting with flavor and color, making every bite a delightful experience. Think of your kitchen as a workshop for delicious masterpieces. Every ingredient is a tool to create something wonderful. Imagine little claymation chefs gathering fresh veggies, handpicking the best ingredients for a nutritious meal. Lean meats and cheeses, all with big smiles. These ingredients are the building blocks of a healthy diet. Eating well gives you energy to play, stay active, and enjoy life to the fullest. Learn and enjoy every day. Good nutrition supports both your body and mind. We'll explore easy, low-carb recipes that are fun for the whole family. Cooking together can be a joyful and educational experience. Good food brings people together and creates happy memories. Sharing meals strengthens bonds and brings joy. You don't need to be a famous chef, just curious and ready to try. Every great cook started with a first step. We'll guide you step by step, making it simple and tasty. With a little guidance, anyone can create a delicious meal. Get ready to meet fantastic food characters who will make your cooking journey even more fun. And make nutritious, delicious meals. These meals will not only taste great, but also nourish your body. Let's begin this brilliant food adventure together. With every step, you'll discover the joy of healthy eating. What does low carb mean? It might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty simple once you break it down. Imagine your body as a car that needs the right kind of fuel to run smoothly and efficiently every day. Carbohydrates, like bread, pasta, and sweets, are like quick-burning fuel for your body, giving you fast energy but not lasting very long. When you eat more carbs than your body needs, it stores the extra as energy reserves, kind of like filling up a storage tank for later. Low-carb eating means choosing fewer of those quick-burning foods, and instead filling your plate with more proteins, healthy fats, and a rainbow of colorful veggies. Think of carbs as paper tossed onto a fire. They burn up fast, giving you a quick burst of energy, but then they're gone, leaving you hungry again. Low-carb foods, on the other hand, are like sturdy logs. They burn slowly, providing steady, long-lasting energy that keeps you going. When you eat this way, you'll feel full and satisfied for longer, and you'll notice you have fewer cravings for sugary snacks or junk food. It's not about never eating bread, rice, or potatoes again. It's just about changing the balance on your plate so you get more of the good stuff. Make protein and veggies the stars of your meals, and swap out some of the starches for extra greens or healthy fats like avocado or nuts. This simple switch can give you more stable energy throughout the day, help your body work its best, and even support your mood and focus. Low carb isn't a strict diet. It's an easy, flexible way to feel happier, healthier, and more energized. Ready to see how you can make low carb work for you in the kitchen? Let's get started. Let's dive into our first easy recipe: cheesy chicken and broccoli bake. Gather cooked chicken, fresh broccoli florets, cream cheese, heavy cream, grated cheddar, garlic, salt, and pepper. Steam broccoli until bright green and just tender. In a bowl, mix cream cheese, heavy cream, garlic, and most of the cheddar into a creamy sauce. Fold in chicken and broccoli so everything's coated. Pour into a baking dish and top with the rest of the cheddar. Bake until golden and bubbly. About 20-25 minutes. Let it cool slightly before serving. The cheesy aroma will bring everyone to the table. Serve as a hearty one-dish meal. This bake proves low-carb eating is anything but boring. Simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Well done, chefs. Ready for a clever twist on a classic? Let's dive into a fun and healthy recipe that will surprise your taste buds and delight your senses. Let's make meatballs with zoodles, zucchini noodles. This dish is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to sneak more veggies into your diet. For meatballs, mix ground meat, egg, parmesan, garlic, herbs, salt, and pepper. These ingredients will give your meatballs a rich and savory flavor. Shape into balls and cook until browned and done. Make sure they are cooked through and have a nice crispy exterior. For sauce, sauté onion and garlic, add chopped tomatoes and simmer. This will create a rich, aromatic base for your dish. Add cooked meatballs to the sauce and let flavors blend. Allow them to soak up the delicious tomato goodness. Make zoodles with a spiralizer or peeler, long curly strands or ribbons. These zoodles are a fun and nutritious alternative to traditional pasta. Toss zoodles in the hot sauce for a minute, or serve sauce over raw zoodles to soften. Either way, the zoodles will absorb the flavors beautifully. The result? A colorful, low-carb meal that's fun and tasty. Perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. Zoodles are a brilliant swap for pasta. Light, fresh, and full of veggies. They are a great way to enjoy your favorite pasta dishes without the extra carbs. Try different herbs or meats for your own twist. Experiment with flavors to make this dish uniquely yours. This dish is proof that healthy eating can be creative and delicious. Enjoy your zoodle adventure. Share it with family and friends for a fun meal together. Who knew veggies could be this much fun? Dive into the world of zoodles and discover a new favorite. Why go low carb? The benefits are amazing. Low carb meals keep your blood sugar steady, so you feel energized and focused all day. Protein and healthy fats help you feel full longer, making it easier to skip unhealthy snacks. Eating this way can help your body use stored fat for energy, supporting a healthy weight. You'll eat more colorful veggies, getting more vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Your plate becomes a rainbow of goodness for your heart, gut, and overall health. It's not about strict dieting, it's about fueling your body with what it needs. A simple, delicious way to say thank you to your body. The secret to tasty low-carb meals? Flavor. Use herbs and spices, paprika, cumin, basil, parsley, to make dishes exciting. Garlic and onions add depth. Sauté them for a savory base. Healthy fats like olive oil, butter, and cheese make meals rich and satisfying. A squeeze of lemon or splash of vinegar brightens everything. Play with textures. Add crunch with nuts or seeds, creaminess with avocado. Mix soft and crisp for a satisfying bite. With these tricks, your meals will never be boring. Healthy choices and delicious food go hand in hand. The recipes we've shared are just the start. Get creative in your kitchen. Involve the whole family. Cooking together makes meals more fun and memorable. Try new veggies, swap cheeses, and experiment with flavors. Small changes add up. Maybe start with one low-carb meal a week. Every healthy choice is a step forward. Be proud of your progress and enjoy the journey. Play with ingredients, make recipes your own, and discover the joy of fresh, whole foods. Eating well is a wonderful adventure, full of flavor, color, and happiness. It's a simple, powerful way to care for yourself and your loved ones. Here's to many delicious, healthy meals ahead. Cheers!